Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off screenshots show toolbar after capturing on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, go down and tap on advanced features. Next we go down and tap on screenshots and screen recorder. In here at the top, tap on show toolbar after capturing. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or off. You can also tap on the left hand side panel to see some more information. Now this is the toolbar right here. It's supposed to show after you capture a screenshot. So for example, if I do one right now, and you can see after the screenshot, a toolbar down here will appear. And if you quickly tap on it, you can then perform cropping, readjusting the image, or do some writing on the image, or you can share or add a tag to it. So I'm just gonna take another screenshot. And here, if I want to crop, I can tap on that and I can crop the image. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. So again, you can also turn it on or off in here. Thank you for watching this video.